Namaskar, welcome to Habis TV. I am Shashira. You are watching National News. India will buy 26 Rafale marine fighter jets from France for over 63,000 crore rupees in its largest ever fighter jet deal. The jets include 22 single-seaters and 4 twin-seaters for the Navy. The deal also includes support, maintenance, training and some local manufacturing under Make in India. These jets will be used on aircraft carriers to boost naval strength. The Reserve Bank of India has reduced its key interest rate by 25 basis points to help the slowing economy, which has been affected by US tariffs. This is the second time in a row that the RBI has cut rates. After this move, the main policy rate is now 6%. In February, it was reduced by 6.5% to 6.25%. This rate cut is good news for people taking home, car, or business loans as it could lower AMIs. After the US put new tariffs on Chinese goods, the Chinese embassy in India asked India to stand with them against these actions. China called the US tariff unfair and harmful, especially for developing countries. In a post on X, Chinese embassy spokesperson Yu Jing said that the trade relationship between India and China is good for both countries. She asked India to work together with China to face the challenges caused by the US tariffs. The Labour Department has launched a campaign to register gig workers like drivers, delivery agents on the e-Shram portal. The aim is to give them social security and health benefits under the Ayushman Bharat scheme. Workers aged 16 to 59 can register online using their Aadhaar, PAN and Aadhaar linked mobile number. India had 7.7 million gig workers in 2020 to 21 and this may grow to 23.5 million by 2029 to 30, showing the need to support them with former benefits. In a big move, US President Donald Trump said that the US will put a 104% tariff on all Chinese goods starting midnight Tuesday, April 8. The White House said this is a reply to China's unfair trade practices like stealing ideas and controlling markets unfairly. This is the biggest increase in tariffs between the US and China since their trade fighter began, showing that tensions between the two countries are getting much worse. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis TV. Namaskar.